Here we go with another number corner video. Going into our slides, let's check out our 5 square inch area shape for today, December 17th, 2020. Oh, it's very similar to yesterday's. Here we go. Let's take a look at this one. Starting with the number of sides. Let's go to that calendar grid before I get ahead of myself, because I always get excited about some of these shapes. And we can scroll down. Today is 12/17. And if we're looking at the number of sides, we can see that there's only a little bit of a difference between yesterday and today. It looks like it took one of the shapes from the end and plopped it onto the third shape. So let's count the total number of sides. Let's start with 1. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is an 8-sided shape. My computer's a little bit laggy today. I did hit 8, but it didn't come in. There it is. Let's see what the perimeter is. So that is the total measurement of the sides all together. So we have 1 here. We have 2 to make 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, and 12. So like I was talking about yesterday, if I needed a piece of ribbon to wrap around the entire perimeter, I would need 12 inches because each block is 1 by 1. So our perimeter is still 12 inches. And like all shapes this month so far, they all have an area of 5 square inches because we have a 1 by 1, a 1 by 1, a 1 by 1, a 1 by 1, and a 1 by 1 to equal 5. 5 square inches per lines of symmetry. Oops, I was getting a little ahead of myself with the perpendicular. Remember, you would need to make a cut somewhere so you could make 2 identical sides. I see 0 lines of symmetry in this figure. And moving on to parallel sides, I see 1 for this long line, and here, remember, parallel are equal distance apart at any given point. They will continue on forever and never intersect. So we have 1 here, then we have 2 pair for the outside lines, and then we have a 3rd pair for this top line and this line right here. So this shape has, oh, I missed some. Slow down, Mrs. Hewitt. We've got 1, 2, and then we have 3 right here. Then we have 4. Then we have 5. Now we have 6. Whoa. We have a lot. We have 6 parallel sides. Sheesh. And lastly, perpendicular lines, where 2 lines meet to form a 90-degree angle, or in your younger school years, you probably heard them be referred to as corners. So let's count all the perpendicular sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that is all we have for Number Corner for today, December 17th. Have a wonderful day.